Now we are going to start with the last case study, that is floods in India with special reference to Assam and Bihar. So children, first of all, let's have a look at the map. In the map here you can see this is Assam, which is a flood prone area. Here we have Bihar, which again is a flood prone region. Alright, so we are going to study in detail about the floods which took place in the past over here and caused immense devastation. Floods in Assam and Bihar. First we will do the flood in Assam. So children, the flood in Assam is mainly caused by heavy rainfall in Assam, which causes the Brahmaputra river and its tributaries to overflow, especially during monsoon season when there is heavy rainfall. So what happens is that the volume of water in river Brahmaputra starts to increase and it starts to overflow its bank, and as a result of this, lot of precious agricultural land is lost due to the riverine erosion caused by the flood water. And the flood greatly affects the economic life of the people. It greatly destroys the property of the people. So here let us see the effect of the flood. So here you can see how the transport and communication gets impacted due to the flood. It displaced thousands of people who had to take shelter in relief camps. And it is said that in the year 2016, which was one of the worst floods to have taken place, about 2 lakh hectares of agricultural land was lost. Here you can see the picture of a tea estate in a low-lying area which was affected during the flood. So due to the flood in 2016, the tea industry suffered a crop loss by 25 to 30%. Similarly, the 2 wildlife sanctuaries, the Kaziranga National Park, which is a World Heritage Site, and the Pobitora Wildlife Sanctuary, they were also affected by the flood. Almost 80% of the total area of the Kaziranga National Park was flooded with more than 300 animals having drowned. So children, here you can see the picture of the animals being rescued. You can see the body of a tiger over here. So a lot of wild animals died during the flood. Now next we come to flood in Bihar. So in Bihar, the worst affected areas are Purnia, Kishanganj, Araria, Madhepura, Darbhanga, Madhubani. So here you can see these areas which are affected by flood. Alright. Now children, the main cause why Bihar is a flood prone state in the great northern plains of India is that Bihar is affected by floods more than by other North Indian states, because many of the rivers flowing through Bihar, such as the Kosi river, the Bagmati river, these rivers, the Gandak river, here you can see the Gandak river over here. Alright, they flow through the high mountainous region of Nepal before crossing very small distances and rapidly reach the plains of Bihar, which makes them very forceful. So when it rains heavily in Nepal, the extra water enters these river channels and it rushes into the plains of Bihar. So these rivers, they break their banks and overflow into the adjoining areas, displacing a large number of people. A large area of agricultural land gets affected. Almost every year Bihar is affected by floods. So it results in loss of life and property. Lot of people have to take shelter in the relief camps.